finishing this little back corner.
Alright, so I got that where I want it. Now we gotta make this lip like this. Come all the way around to here to meet this one. So I'm gonna punch a couple more holes in here so I can attach it. Alright. One will start curling around here. With the machine, we'll shrink it back. And then that can be attached. And then I can finish welding all of this. And I hope this is done for the side. So this is gonna go like that.
Yeah, we wanted to go the other way.
Just like that. That's gotta go. That. A little bit more there. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. Like that. I'm gonna cut that off and then fold this back down to meet that. Because it's on this angle. This is a 90.
Yeah.
This is more like a 45.
Put little cuts in it and then fold them all
back over. So this is gonna go here. Let me cut that. That's gonna go there.
All right.
I need a marker. Go give me a marker and I'll cut that. Now that fits nice just like that. Put a little slit in it. And then this, I gotta slice that a hair. Like that. And then get right in there. Just like that. That's straight. Yep. And then this will get pulled in. That'll get welded to that. And we'll push this in and weld that. Alright, looks good. Alright, start welding it up. the inside and push this a little closer.
Okay. Push it from the inside?
No, that's good. Over here, I'm going to have to push it a little bit. Alright, so go hit in there, just push that out a little bit.
Alright.
Alright, so that's all done. Just gonna grind it all clean. And then I'm gonna start on fixing this section right here. And then we go to the other side. That's good. It's all gonna get skimmed right here. And that's it. Okie dokie. This side's
Done.
Now I just gotta get this. I'm gonna fix this here. Just gonna cut this little section out just like this.
Yep.
And then replace that. And then we'll move over to the other side. Okay. Alright, so that's all done. Cut this panel off. I'm gonna peel all this rusty stuff out of here. Get all this off. Clean up the frame rail. And then cut a new piece, drop it in, and stitch it all the way around. And this will be good to go. There's another little piece over this side. No, this side only had a little spot. And then inside the floor where we took the seats out, there's more of this. We'll probably end up doing that later.
Get the piece, the spot welds off.
Good God, man. There we go. Look at all this stuff in here. A nice wasp nest. Vacuum all that out, and then I'm going to finish grinding all these clean. Clean up this edge all the way around. We'll make another piece. Alright, well, I finally got this piece to sit where I want it, so it fits nice and flush. Right? So now I marked where the frame rail is going to be. And then I'm going to mark where I'm going to make the holes so we can plug weld it to the frame, because that's what it's for. I'm going to straighten this little lip out here first. And then we'll lift it, and I'll go make some holes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So make a whole bunch of holes in this to plug weld it. They're obviously spot welded. And then we should be good. Somebody made a freaking big ass hole over here for no reason. Alright. Anyway, let me go do that. I'm going to put this in. I'm going to get this all welded in here. Grind it all down. Get this thing done for ready. Alright, so got the holes punched in it. Got all these holes punched in it. They're gonna follow the frame right. I put a little. I put this little lip in it so it follows this contour. once I tack it in the front, I'll be able to go right down the side with it. Just push the floor up to meet it. Nice. This can go down. And this can come up. This doesn't have to look as pretty, but it will be. But the idea is to get it to go back and be solid against the frame and the floor. So I'm going to get Josh to go underneath and push up on this lip, make it nice and flush. The frame is all flush in there, that's good. So I can actually go right through that. Alright, so you get the idea. Make it nice and flush. I'm going to finish welding this all up and then plug weld all the pieces to the frame. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And get the frame real tight to the floor. Alright. Right there, he's getting it nice and tight to the floor. Watch your face. So look, that's how close we get. And then in here, got it all nice. And we'll spot weld all that. Alright. Alright, got all the spot welds in it. Matched everything right there. I grind that all down. You'll never know what happened. Alright. Nice and solid, like brand new. That's what it looks like underneath. Right? Can't even really tell anything was done. This car really needed to be, everything needed to be, all this undercoating, this dried off undercoating, all this needed to be scraped off. And then scrape this, or I would just replace that gas tank. Thing is nasty. But I would definitely scrape all that stuff off. Okay, this is all good now, so we're done, finally done with that side. Okay, so this side's done. That's all done. Everything's all stitched, welded, grind down, cleaned up, ready to go with bodywork. So now tomorrow, now we gotta go do this side. All right? Same procedure, basically the same thing. I'm probably not gonna video everything as detailed on this side. I'm probably gonna just show you how I do this lip, how I do that stuff, but all right. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the comments. Hope you're having a good time with it. Thanks for all the funny stuff. See you in the next video. Tomorrow we do the other side.